All right, y'all, we're gonna make Amish butter, beef, and noodles. We're starting with 2 pounds of cube steak. Get them nice and spread out on the bottom of your crock pot. And once you have your cube steak in there, we're gonna put 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. All right, and once you have your cream of chicken in there, we're gonna throw some seasonings over the top and do a couple teaspoons of garlic powder. And once you have your garlic powder in there, we're also gonna throw a teaspoon of black pepper. Once you got your seasonings in there, let's go ahead and throw 1 cup of chicken broth over all that. Finally, we're getting to the best part. We're going to put a whole stick of butter cut into slices, kind of spread it around in pieces. And finally, once you have your butter in there, we're going to put a whole package of Boursin spreadable cheese. Just plop that on over there. Once you have all your ingredients in there, go ahead and put your lid on. And we're going to cook this on high for 4 to 5 hours, or you can do low for 7 to 8. All right, after 4 to 5 hours on high, go ahead and take your lid off. Get you a fork, because we're going to want to get that steak out. See, it's breaking up real good already. But to help you finish it off, go ahead and get some scissors or whatever cutlery you prefer and start cutting it into little pieces. All right, y'all, once you get your last little piece cut, go ahead and stir that around. And we're gonna throw in 1 cup of sour cream to add a little thickness and creaminess. And once you got your sour cream nice and mixed in there, go ahead and throw in 12 ounces of cooked egg noodles. And once you got your egg noodles nice and mixed in, this baby is ready to go, y'all. So let's give it a try. Amish. I got a buddy named Ruben who grew up Amish. I'm curious to get his take on this. Let's see. Get some of that cube steak. That just tastes like some down home cooking, y'all. Give it a try.